Hello, hope everybody's well. Working with Aaron, what was that like? I was very nervous to start with, funny enough, because I always wanted to learn Welsh. Never had the courage or the conviction to jump in, but after meeting Aaron, I knew pretty quickly really it was going to be okay. I think he's got such a nice manner, friendly manner, and he's got such a good work ethic. You can't help but, that rubs off on you. As a coach myself, as a sports coach, a football coach, it's more than just having the information to give to people. You have to find a way to connect with that person. And Aaron knows how to do that. He certainly knew how to do that with me. And I felt comfortable with Aaron. I felt like I was learning. And he gave me great advice. He said, don't be afraid to make a mistake. And it's the advice I give to especially young football players that I'm coaching, try to overcome the fear of doing something new and don't worry about the consequences, just go with it. And it was kind of like that, learning a new language. Because it is about confidence when you're trying to learn a new language, and you've got words in your head, you're trying to put them together, and you're afraid to bring them out of your mouth in case they're in the wrong sequence, or you explain it wrong, or you pronounce it wrong. And Welsh is not easy, but it's confidence. It's like anything else. It's all about confidence, and Aaron told me that, and he was right. I think if I was advising somebody that was going to work with Aaron, loosen up, because he wants to have a bit of a giggle and a laugh, and for me personally that was perfect. He works very hard and he pushes you, but at a good pace, not where you're panicking because you can't keep up. I think with me, you spoke to me in Welsh as if I already knew the language, and strangely enough that really helped me. I think he gave me such confidence because he had a lot of confidence in me that I could learn the language. That can be a huge confidence boost. We're still in touch today, Aaron and myself. I would say it's probably 6 months since I really dived into the Welsh language, because I'm abroad. I'm working in Greece at the moment. So I'm making an excuse to saying I'm lacking time. I've got to get back into it. But it was a fantastic experience working with Aaron. I learned a lot in a really short space of time, and he gave me the confidence to believe that I can go on and actually one day have a conversation in Welsh with confidence, and that's my goal. So well done, Aaron.